Chowski,
Yes.
you're supposed to be here in person. Why are you not here?
My letter tells me it's Zoom on 6/22.
The hearing kicks off with unexpected confusion. Mr. Jachowski logs in on Zoom, even though his second notice clearly required him to show up in person. The judge questions the mix-up, but Jachowski claims he never saw the update and thought it was still virtual. Court records say otherwise. Staying composed, the judge moves on to the real issue, a possible probation violation. What started as a simple check-in quickly shifts.
My letter tells me.
I'm looking at the notice that was sent out.
All right, I have it right here in front of me.
Mr. Chowski,
Yes.
your original letter that was sent out on March 23rd said that it was to be via Zoom. Another letter was sent out on May 13th because instead of a review, it was going to be a violation. And that violation was changed to be a hearing in court. And Mr. Marano tried to reach out to you regarding this and was unsuccessful. So did you not have the right contact information?
So I did not have any good contact for him. I have emailed him and he has failed to appear for appointments on May 23rd and June the 7th as well. So I've had no contact with Mr. Krause for.
When's the last time you had contact with him?
Last time we had contact was May the 9th.
So Mr. Chowski, how did you think probation was supposed to go? Did you think that you just checked in when you felt like it?
No, not at all. I understand my civic responsibility. That's why I'm with you. That's why I'm with you here today.
As the hearing continues, the probation officer reports weeks of no contact from Mr. Jachowski. He says he recently moved and lost access to his email. That's why he missed check-ins. The judge isn't convinced. Moving doesn't usually block email. It gets worse. Jachowski.
Your Honor?
Yes.
I'm in the process of moving and I've changed locations. And since I moved locations, my email has been locked.
The judge breaks down the basics of probation. Any change in address or contact must be reported immediately. Mr. Jachowski claims he knows the rules, but his actions say otherwise. He explains life's been overwhelming, making it hard to keep up with court responsibilities. The judge listens but makes it clear, personal struggles don't excuse missed check-ins or ignored notices. As the excuse.
So I haven't been able to get a hold of my probation officer through my email. And I'm dealing with that right now.
Well, is your phone number the same?
No, I got a different phone number.
Things shift when the judge pushes the hearing back a week and firmly orders Mr. Jachowski to appear in person next time. But instead of agreeing, Jachowski resists. He says he's afraid coming back could land him in jail, just like before. The judge stays calm, reminding him that if jail was the plan, a warrant would already be in place. This isn't a trap, it's a chance to set things straight. Still,
So Mr. Chowski, when you're on probation, when you change address and phone number, don't you think it would be a good idea to make sure your probation officer knows that?
Well, I think it's a good idea, but you got to understand I've been dealing with my father's death that I caused, and I've been dealing with cleaning out the house, and I've been trying to find an apartment. Yes, I understand that, and I do understand my civic responsibility. I do. This is the first contact that I've gotten at this location, and I'm happy to give my phone number and my address to my probation officer.
Jachowski seems stuck on the idea that the system is out to get him. Next voice. As the judge tries to move forward, Mr. Jachowski's attitude hardens. He questions the court's intentions and insists he can't appear in person, blaming transportation issues and a restricted license. The judge reminds him, probation rules apply to everyone. But Jachowski digs in, pushing back harder, making real conversation nearly impossible. Still, the judge holds steady, staying patient as the tension builds in the.
Chowski, I need to see you in person, so I will adjourn this 1 week. So it will be set again a week from today. At the same
Why do you
time.
want to see me in person? I don't know if I can go down there. I'm not sure if I can do that. I don't have a driver's license. I cannot drive. I can't be going anyplace. You know, my license is restricted. So I'm not really sure whether or not, and I'm not sure the reason you want me down there? For what reason? To put me in handcuffs and put me in another 44 days?
Harder, the judge takes a compassionate route. He sees that fear, stress, or even mental health struggles might be driving Mr. Jachowski's resistance. This isn't about punishment, it's about finding a solution. The judge urges him to connect with his probation officer, understand the violations, and start fixing them.
Okay, this will be real simple. I want to make sure you can hear me okay, and I'm a little concerned at your tone.
Well, I'm a little concerned about what you're stating. I'm a little concerned. You want me down there for what? For what reason?
Okay, so I will note today that Mr. Jachowski was aware that he was supposed to be here today. Mr. Jachowski has indicated that, oh, hang on a second. Mr. Jachowski, can you hear me? Mr. Jachowski, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, officer, or honor.
All right, this is real simple. I'm indicating to you right now that it is the order of this court that you present yourself to the court a week from today. Are you telling me?
I'm not going, Your Honor, I'm not going to court. I cannot get there, all right? Hearing.
Jail isn't the only path, but cooperation is non-negotiable. The court leaves the door open. Now, it's on Jachowski to walk through it, next voice, but instead of taking the chance, Mr. Jachowski flat out refuses. He says he won't attend the next hearing, pointing to a painful past. He contracted COVID-19 during a prior jail stay and believes it led to his father's death. The judge responds with empathy, explaining that safety protocols have since improved. Still, Jachowski won't budge. He says the risk is still too high. His continued refusal leaves the court with limited options and growing frustration. With each moment,
I told you why I did it!
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
Listen to me!
All right, Mr. Jachowski, I'm not gonna tolerate you speaking to the court in that tone. You failed to appear today. You've indicated, no, Mr. Jachowski, I've hit you on mute. I have nothing more than I need to hear from you. I've indicated to you that you have 1 week from today to appear at the court. If you're not here a week from today, then you're absolutely right. You will find yourself in a jail cell a week from today. If you show up a week from today and perhaps explain to me what's going on with you in a manner that's respectful.
Peaceful resolution drifts further away, next voice, as the hearing drags on. The judge gives a firm final warning: more disrespect or refusal to follow court rules could bring contempt charges. He reminds Mr. Jachowski, a virtual courtroom is still a courtroom, and respect is required. But Jachowski keeps interrupting and pushing back. The judge holds the line, stressing fairness and consistency. Everyone else with violations showed